Yo, welcome to another one, man. Today I'm actually going for hiking, and I'm actually specifically going to Kibla Park site. And yeah, I'm wearing very chill stuff, I just need to wash. It's still early in the morning. It's 7 or 8 a.m. now. I just need to check the time and let's go. Yeah, today, man, we'll be traveling 37 minutes, which is 31k, to this Klipriviersberg Nature Reserve. Yeah, that's where we'll actually be hiking, man. Look at this place. It's so huge, man. And I'll be doing 15k's actually. And this is the drone shot that I took. So let's go and hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. The goal of sight. We're gonna get to Kibla Park soon, so I actually used the road. I don't know what it's called. It's not N1, but the one closer to N1. I don't know what it is. But just to show you where I'm actually at. To start with the hike. How many Ks are we doing today? Yeah, so we'll start with the hike now. It's 9:30. Someone? Yeah, we're here. We're gonna do 15 kilometers today. And I have my drone this side, man. It was hard to actually enter with a drone because it's not allowed. And of course I understand, because they don't want you to scare the animals that are here and the people that are here and all of that stuff. So I will fly the drone where there's no one, where there's zero animals. And yeah, man, pull up to these places. It's all free entrance. The only thing you need is just to drive to the place and make sure that you take care of your health, very important. But the nice thing is that there's no sun today, which is a good thing, because by now I would have been forced to wear my hat and my shades, those black ones that I have here, but now I don't have to. And here's the place, man. These are my shoes. I've got New Balance. She got Puma. Which one is better?
Mine.
We'll see. Mine are too comfortable. So guys, comment down below which one do you prefer. I've got New Balance. I'm balancing here. She got a Puma. I don't know how it's balancing, but anyway, are they comfortable?
They are.
Okay, that's fine. Mine are too comfortable as well, so we good. That's how it is. This place at night, you see shit, yeah. Hey, it's super quiet now. There's no one, it's only us. But anyway, stand is in point. So keep moving. We're getting up now. I am breathing heavily. Kodwa ke silasithanda izinto. If you get tired, do we have water? We have water. But if uwala uzibona ukuthi phuma kanjani. See, there's no one behind me. And I think the weather is fine because if there was a sun, by now I'll be fucked up. Excuse me for my language. Decided to take a break and then I just applied sunscreen now because the sun is actually coming through. And hey, still have a long way to go. We did few Ks now, maybe 4 kilometers. And yeah, let's continue. I won't capture the whole thing, man. This place is basically it's at the bush. It's nothing, and a mountain. Nothing interesting to see here. That would be crazy. That would be cool. Yeah, this is my drone. By the way, this is how I take the drone shots. This is one of the reasons why we do these things. Very peaceful in here. Listen to the air, listen to the animals, the sound. It's super quiet. But let's keep going. Finally made it on top, man. Top of the mountain. Look at the views. The time is 12 something now. We've been here since from 9, 12:30 now. That's 15 k's. My legs are so tired, man. Yo. And I'm so hungry as well. And I'm super tired and hungry. And has good to be here, but anyway, we're almost done. This is where we started. And we're ending it now. That's just finally done, man. Yeah, that was the end of the hiking. 15 k's. That's what we did. Oh, super tired, man. So it's time to actually go eat now, and then after that, drive home.